Jai Sriman Now itself, here itself, we are all going to be doing Pattabhishekam to you. Rutvijaha, Savasishthascha, Mantravit, Mantrakovidaha. All the scholars are here. All the priests, Purohitas are here. All the Brahmanas are here. Great Brahmarshi Vasishtha Maharshi is here. And all our citizens are here. Along with all these great people, Marudbhihi, Ivavasavaha, as and how Devatas does Pattabhishekam to Devendra, we are all going to be doing Pattabhishekam to you. Ho Rama, Ayodhyam Palane Vraja, to rule the kingdom Ayodhya, please come back. Deva, Rushi, Pitru, Runas, there are 3 Runas. You can definitely clear all those 3 runas and all those debts. You can satisfy all the citizens and start ruling the kingdom. Adi Arya Muditaha Santu. Rama, if you are going to be doing kingdom, if you are going to be ruling the kingdom, everybody will be happy. The moment you say that I am going to be getting Pattabhishekam done, Adyabhitaha Palayantam, the moment you accept that, all the enemies will run away from you. Akrosam mamamatuscha pramrujya. Ho Rama, to get all the accusations which are there on my mother Kaikamma, to clear all those accusations, you have to get Pattabhishekam done. You have to start rule the kingdom. Pitaram Rakshakil Bishat, to clear all the sin which is there on our father, to clear all of that, you have to get the Pattabhishekam done. You have to start ruling the kingdom. Sirasatvam abhiyacheham. Oh my dear brother Rama, I am putting my siras, I am putting my head on your feet and begging you. Rama, Bandhaveshu cha Sarveshu Bhuteshviva Maheswaraha Kurushva Karunammayi. Ho Rama, just like Parameswara, as and how he shows compassion on every entity, so also please show your compassion on me and all your relatives, all the people and all the entities. Ho Rama, please come back and start ruling the kingdom. Rama, if you reject all my request and finally resolve to go into the forest and start living there, here is my decision. Gamishyati gamishyami bhavata sardhamapi aham. If you are going to start living here itself, I will definitely follow you. I am also going to be living in the forest along with you, Rama. Like that, Bharata is giving all his prarthana, doing all his prarthana and asking Rama to come back, and also finally Bharata is presenting his own decision to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Bharata fell on the feet of Ramachandra Swami and begging Rama to come back. There were so many people looking at that, and they are all excited to see what is Rama's decision going to be, what is Rama's response going to be. In front of all of them, Sri Ramachandra Swami, with all of his great stable mind and standing on his father's words, Ramachandra Swami very gently rejected Bharata's request. All people got surprised to see that. Tadadbhutam stairyam avekshya. All people got wondered to see such a great stable mind of Ramachandra Swami. After seeing his stairyam, after seeing Rama's stable mind, all the people at once, avapadukhitaha, they all moved to tears. While moving to tears, they are also appreciating such a great mindset of Ramachandra Swami. Jano Harsham, people are expressing their great happiness after seeing their leaders' stable mind. And also all of them at once saying that, "Oh Rama, please come back to Ayodhya. Like that, while moving to tears, everybody started requesting Rama. And also, on other hand, all the people started appreciating Sthira Pratignyata, Sthira Pratignatvam, Avekshya Harshitaha. Whatever he said to his father, he is now stick to those words. That is where people are expressing their happiness about Rama's great standing on the words that he gave to father. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.